Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix fingerprint option not showing on your settings. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, you have to go to your settings option and you scroll down until you find the option security. Then here is your fingerprint. So I will show you the solution where it is. I'm showing you the basic way to find the fingerprint. Tap on it, put your pattern. After that you can see use for unlock screen lock. It is turned on. Access app lock, you have to turn on all this option. So if it is turned off, there will be no fingerprint option. So this is the basic one. And if you want to use the fingerprint, that means you didn't find the fingerprint, then you have to go to the search bar and you have to search for finger. Okay, now there will be two application. One is fingerprint test. So first click on the first one, go to the storage and cache, clear the storage and clear the cache. Go to the second one, do the same. Okay, clear the storage, clear the cache. After that, restart your phone, you will get your settings. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.